Hi guys! In today's video, we will show you the best ways to record your Windows 11 laptop using iPowerSoft Free Online Screen Recorder. iPowerSoft Free Online Screen Recorder is an efficient online screen recorder that is a perfect fit for your Windows 11 operating system. Not to mention, this allows you to record any activities on your computer screen at no cost at all. Follow the next steps to get started. First, visit the Tools official website. From there, click the Start Recording button to proceed to its main interface. Then, select the sources you want to record and click the Start Recording button to continue. Next, choose the Entire Screen option and enable the Also Share System Audio menu to record the system sound of your laptop. Then, click the Share button to start. Once you're done recording, click the Stop button. To download the output, click the Save button. And that is the easiest way to record your Windows 11 laptop with this program. Thank you for watching.